gosh, guys, I just finished having my dental checkup and, you know, teeth cleaning. Oh, I feel like my teeth are really clean. Okay, so in this vlog, guys, ikikwento ko sa inyo yung procedures, ano ba yung ginawa. So, first time ko nga dito magkaroon ng dental checkup, guys. Ang tanong, magkano bang binayad ko doon? Hi guys, I'm going to have my dental checkup today. It's my first time to experience dental checkup, whatever dental services today. So we're here. Of course.
Huh?
What? What you will wait? What?
Hey, you think you need some help in here?
I don't know.
Okay.
Do I have to pay anything here? So guys, we're waiting for our turn. By the way, everything here has to be set in advance, meaning we have to set an appointment. Kwento ko muna sa inyo yung process. Pagdating ko doon, kasi guys, bago ka pumunta sa clinic, you first have to set an appointment. Hindi pwedeng walang appointment, hindi pwedeng pa walk-in ka lang doon. Hindi sa kanila uso dito yung walk-in. Dapat naka-appointment. Kasi naman, 'di ba, yung oras nila is napaka, what do you call that? Very precious. Oh, yeah. So, pagdating ko doon, guys, naghintay muna ako to be checked in. And then, wala naman masyadong, pagdating ko, merong naghihintay na isa, and then, kasama ko nga si husband at si baby, o, diba, napaka-supportive ng husband ko, and always in charge of everything. Okay, so, after checked in, tinawag na ako nung dentist doon. Tinawag niya na ako. Tapos, pinatayo ako, guys, doon sa may, what do you call that x-ray machine? Is that, what do you call that type of machine, honey?
It's an X-ray machine.
It's an x-ray machine, guys. Parang, ini-x-ray niya lang yung yung ngipin mo. Yeah. So, pinatayo niya ako doon, tapos pinakagat niya sa akin yung something there. Parang, yung medyo, I don't know, basta, yung doon sa x-ray machine. Tapos, umikot-ikot na yung machine, yun. Then, 2 rounds na yun ginawa. Sabi niya, ginagawa daw nila yun kapag first visit. Afterwards, pinakita na sa akin sa computer yung ngipin ko, yung gum, yeah, yung lahat. Pinakita niya na sa akin. Sabi niya, looks good naman, okay naman. Tapos, yun, doon. After nun, pinapunta niya na ako doon sa room. It's an area kung saan nandun na yung nakaset up na yung upuan ng patient kapag lilinisan na ng ngipin. Ayun. Wow, I feel like my teeth are white, diba? Feeling ko maputi na ang ngipin ko. I feel that my teeth are clean and white now. Look. Smile. So, yan. Tapos, guys, nilagyan niya na nga ako nung something, yung nilalagay dito, yun yung procedure. And then, pagkatapos, tinanong niya ako kung gusto ko daw na maglagay ng yung it's a numbing cream. Parang cream siya, I don't know exactly, but actually sabi niya, parang nakatatandaan ko, sabi niya it's a gel. It's a numbing gel, sabi niya. It's a numbing gel para daw hindi masakit. Medyo matagal na daw na nalinisan yung ngipin ko kasi sabi ko nga last year. Tapos, ang daming kailangang linisan. May tartar, madami akong tartar. Tapos sabi niya, matatouch niya daw yung gum ko sa paglinis nun. Ganon. So, kung gusto ko daw lagyan ng gel, yung naming gel. Tapos, tinanong ko siya kung usually binibigay ba nila yun sa mga patient. Tapos sabi niya, kapag matagal na daw kasing hindi nagpalinis at madaming lilinisan, so nire-recommend nila para hindi masakit. Oh, yun. So nilagyan niya na ako noon. Tapos guys, parang na-feel ko na medyo parang may medyo cool, may a certain taste, you know. Tapos ayun, numb na yung aking gum. Tapos yun, nagsimula na siya maglinis. Nilinisan niya na napaka thorough ng paglinis. So, nilinisan niya na. Tapos yung suction ang cool kasi kung dyan sa atin guys, hinahayaan lang natin na yung suction yung kumuha nung mga saliva, you know. Doon, when it does that, but at the same time, pag tinose mo yung mouth mo, ganun, ina-absorb nyo na lahat ng yung saliva mo, yun, diba? Ang bilis lang matanggal. So, afterwards, ginawa niya naman, so after using yung machine na panglinis, diba? Yung ganun, okay. Napaka-thorough nung dentist na naglilinis sa akin. Tapos, next nun, minanumano niya, parang may manual, minanumano niya, inayos niya. Ganun. Tapos may mga tinanggal siya, ganun. Pero manual yun walang hindi gamit na yung machine. I guess, siguro may mga kailangan pa siyang linisin na hindi na mas better na gawin yung manual. So, ganun niya. Then, afterwards nun, guys, may nilagay siyang polish, basta sabi niya, ipapolish niya na daw. So, ganun, ipapolish niya na yung paglinis. Tapos, parang may na feel akong it's cooler and nalasahan ko na parang toothpaste yung the taste. Oh, yan, ganun. Pagkatapos nun, pinag-floss niya na ang galing naman at ang bait nung ni Doc. Okay. So, pinag-floss niya na everything. Okay, done. After nun, guys, hindi lang yung tapos na. Kala ko nga tapos na. May denture kasi akong isa ito. Oo. Tapos, over 10 years, nandito na to, ganon. Tapos, yun, sabi niya, maghintay lang daw ako doon kasi pupunta si head doctor. Yung head dentist nila pupunta daw to check. So, ayun, pumunta na siya. Chinek niya na. Napaka-nice naman nila, guys. They're so nice. Tapos, nag-recommend. Kasi may denture nga akong isa kung ano ang marirecommend nilang. It's a recommendation. It's for me. It's really not, hindi naman kailangan totally. But if I want to, make it better. Gagawa daw ng bridge. It's something to do with my teeth here kasi nga yung isang denture, ganon. So, ayun guys, pupunta na nga ako. Tapos na, nakwento ko na ang saya. Happy ako kasi I feel like my teeth is white and clean and it's nice. It's a nice experience. Very nice. So, pupunta na nga ako dun sa aking main topic. Magkano ba ang binayaran ko doon for my dental check-up at for my teeth cleaning? The answer is 0. 0 guys. Wala po akong binayaran kasi covered na siya ng insurance ng asawa ko. So, yung asawa ko lang nagbabayad for the insurance every month and that includes the entire family. And yung dental check-up and teeth cleaning, it's something that you will have to do every after 6 months. So, diba ang cool? Ang ganda naman ng healthcare system nila dito and how insurance works. So, today is a very nice day. I like my experience and looking forward to my next appointment. At by the way guys, bago ka pala umalis, meron ka na agad naka-schedule na next appointment. Ganun sila dito. So, meron ka na agad na kailan ka babalik. So, on this, so, babalik ako, when was my next appointment will be, I think, October pa yun, no? Matagal pa. O, diba guys, after 6 months na. So, thank you for watching our vlog, guys. Nakakasayang na I have to start over, but thank you for the support, and we would love it if you can, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Tune in to more content here to give you a slice of our story. Bye, thank you, and subscribe to Sirius TV.